The 4 laws of behavior change, the formula for building good habits. Why do some people build life-changing habits effortlessly while others struggle to stay consistent? Why is it so easy to scroll endlessly on social media, but so hard to stick to a workout routine? Why do we grab a sugary snack without thinking, but forget to drink enough water? The answer isn't willpower, it's a system. The secret lies in 4 simple principles that make habits stick and help you take control of your daily actions. If you apply these principles, you can rewire your brain, create powerful habits, and break bad ones for good. Let's dive in. 1. Make it clear. Your brain needs a clear trigger to start a habit. If something's out of sight, it's out of mind. But if it's right in front of you, you're more likely to act. Want to read more? Keep a book on your pillow. Want to exercise? Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Want to drink more water? Keep a water bottle within arm's reach. Want to eat healthier? Prep your meals in advance and keep fruits within easy reach. Design your environment for success. Make good habits impossible to ignore. And if you want to break a bad habit, do the opposite. Make it invisible. You hide the junk food, turn off notifications, delete tempting apps, keep your phone out of reach when working to avoid distractions. Want to supercharge this? Link a new habit to something you already do. Want to start meditating? Do it right after brushing your teeth. 2, make it appealing. If a habit isn't enjoyable, you won't stick with it. The key is to make it something you actually look forward to. Pair it with something you love. Hate exercising? Only listen to your favorite podcast at the gym. Join a community. Surround yourself with people who already have the habit you want. Use rewards. Example: only listen to an audiobook while going for a walk. Make healthy eating exciting. Try new recipes and experiment with flavors. Your habits are influenced by the people around you. Choose your environment wisely. Want to break a bad habit? Make it unappealing. Instead of saying, Riyat, I have to quit drinking soda, say, I'm fueling my body with healthier choices. Change the way you see the habit, and you'll change the way you act on it. 3. Make it simple. Most people fail because they make habits too complicated. The secret? Start small. Want to journal? Write 1 sentence per day. Want to work out? Start with 5 push-ups. Want to eat healthier? Swap just 1 unhealthy snack for a better option. Want to learn a new skill? Practice for just 2 minutes a day. Your goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Tiny actions done daily lead to massive results. Breaking a bad habit? Make it difficult. Want to stop social media scrolling? Delete the apps or use a website blocker. Want to stop hitting snooze? Put your alarm across the room. Want to avoid late night snacking? Keep unhealthy snacks out of the house. Don't make it about discipline. Make it about removing friction from good habits and adding friction to bad ones. 4, make it rewarding. Your brain loves rewards. If something feels good, you'll want to repeat it. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker or calendar. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself after completing a habit. Create a streak challenge. Don't break the chain of good habits. After a successful workout week, treat yourself to a fun activity like a nature walk or a movie night. Want to quit a bad habit? Make it unpleasant. Use accountability. Tell a friend your goal so they'll check in on you. Add consequences. Every time you break a habit, donate $5 to charity. If you skip a planned workout, commit to an extra healthy meal that day as compensation. The key to success: make the habits that serve you rewarding and the habits that hurt you painful. The key to lasting change isn't motivation. It's designing habits that work with your brain, not against it. Make it clear, make it appealing, make it simple, make it rewarding. Master these 4 principles and you can master any habit, transforming your life one small step at a time. Which of these principles will you start applying today? Drop a comment below. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more ways to master your habits